Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Today in this video, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in crude oil. As usual, we'll do the analysis from the daily time frame to 5 minutes time frame, and we'll be sharing you the support and resistance levels and the trend of the current market. You can use these informations as a reference for deciding on your entry and exit on your trades. Let us start with the analysis. I am in daily time frame now. When we look at the current trend of the market, I have drawn a resistance line over here. You can notice that whenever the price action tests this resistance level, it has actually bounced back in the past, and also you can notice that the current trend is also reversing on the bearish side. And we have the support line also running over here. So overall, when we look at the price action, it is in a range bound market, but it is sort of a widening wedge, which means it is moving more on a bullish side rather on a bearish side. And when we look at the line chart formation, it always forms a similar to a head and shoulder pattern or a double top pattern, then a trend reversal happens. Here also we can notice that it has formed a head and shoulder pattern, and we can expect it to retrace and test this level of 84.73 if the trend reversal is confirmed. Currently the price action is in a retracement. Let us wait and see if the price action retraces up to this level. So if it breaks this level, we can expect it to fall up to the next level of support, which is going to be around 75.56. But keep in mind, the current price action is still in a very strong bullish trend. And if the price action continues its bullish trend, next level of resistance is going to be around 97.96. This level had been a very strong resistance in the past also. When we notice the past price action, this area was acting as a very strong resistance, preventing the price from going on a bullish trend, and this whole zone is acting as a very strong resistance level. So whenever the price action goes at this level, you can notice that there has been a very steep fall in the price. Currently, due to the global uncertainty, we are having this sudden hike in the crude oil price. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame now. Here we have the higher time frame resistance line running over here, and I have drawn a channel pattern also, which shows that it is still in a very nice bullish trend. And we have the higher time frame resistance levels over here, and we have the support levels also. And when we notice the price action more closely, up to this level, it was going on a very nice bullish trend. Over here, it has started to consolidate. There is no direction in the market, and it is moving on a sideways, because we know from the higher time frame, this whole zone was acting as a very strong resistance level. So currently, when we notice the price action, it is still in a range bound market, or it is trading on a sideways. I have drawn one more parallel line also. Whenever the price action tests this level, you can notice that price action has bounced back. Currently also the price action is trying to go on a bearish side and test this trend line or the support line, but this whole zone is a very strong support zone. So if it breaks this support zone, we can expect a further fall and to test the higher time frame support level, which is going to be around 84.51. As long as this support level is holding, we can expect the sideways market to continue in this currency pair. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this blue color boxes are the support and resistance levels for the current price action in crude oil. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now. When we analyze the price action in 30 minutes time frame, it was on a very nice bullish trend, and it formed a double top pattern. Then a bearish trend reversal happened, then took support on this previous support line or the trend line, then went on a bullish side. Again took resistance at the higher time frame resistance line over here, then went on a bearish side trade. Again took support on this trend line from the previous price action and went on a bullish side. Now you can notice that it has touched this bottommost support level of 89.00. Then it is on a bullish trend. Now it is on a retracement. We can expect it to taking support at this trend line or the channel pattern support line, then to bounce on the bullish side. Overall, when we notice the price action in 30 minutes time frame also, it is on a range bound market. It has touched this support level and it is on a bullish retracement. We can expect it to test this higher time frame resistance level of 94.81. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this blue color boxes are the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame in crude oil. Currently the price action is in a retracement. We can expect it to take support at the support level of 89.88, then to bounce back on the bullish trend. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I'm in 5 minutes time frame now. When we notice the price action in 5 minutes time frame also, it was on a very nice bullish trend and found a resistance at this level of 92.80. Currently the price action is in a retracement, and we know from the higher time frame this whole zone is a very strong support zone. We can expect it to take support at this level, then to bounce back on the bullish side. And the characteristics of this price action is it always makes a double bottom or triple bottom pattern before making a bullish trend reversal. So wait for it to complete its double bottom or triple bottom pattern, then go on a bullish side trades. It always consolidates before making a trend reversal or a directional movement. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this blue color boxes are the support and resistance levels for the 5 minutes time frame, and we have the higher time frame support level which is in the red color box. Currently the price action is consolidating. I am expecting it to consolidate and make a bullish trend reversal. Only when the price action breaks this higher time frame support level, we can expect a bearish trend reversal or further fall on the bearish side. Currently it is in a range bound market. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel to get notification on my future video updates.